Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the lower control arm on a Chrysler 300. First, ensure your vehicle is safely secured on jack stands with wheel chocks in place. Gather all your tools, including a new control arm, sockets, wrenches, and a torque wrench. Next, visually inspect the existing lower control arm for any signs of damage, such as bent components or worn bushings. This initial check helps confirm the need for replacement and prepares you for the task ahead. Once the vehicle is secure, begin by removing the front wheel to gain access. Next, you'll need to disconnect the sway bar link from the lower control arm. This usually involves unbolting a nut. Then, carefully separate the ball joint from the steering knuckle. A ball joint separator tool can be very helpful here. Finally, unbolt the main mounting bolts that secure the control arm to the subframe, allowing you to remove the old component. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. And speaking of staying on top of things, remember to stay hydrated while working on your car. A quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. Check the description for a link to grab one and see other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to install the new lower control arm. Carefully position it into place and loosely thread in the subframe mounting bolts. Do not tighten them fully yet. Next, reattach the ball joint to the steering knuckle, ensuring it's seated correctly. Once everything is aligned, tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings. This is crucial for safety and proper vehicle operation. Double-check all connections before proceeding.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.